Boogie Van Spin Master Monster Jam Series 27. Welcome back, fans, to another unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics. And we got a classic monster truck here. It is Boogie Van, as I just mentioned in my opening. And this is the first time that Boogie Van has ever been released in a die-cast monster truck toy form, and it is really something to be able to have Boogie Van as a die-cast Monster Jam truck. It did run on the Monster Jam circuit back in the 1990s. Let's go ahead and check out the other trucks in this series. So Boogie Van is in the Danger Divas series, and the other trucks in this series is Avenger Dragon, the 40th anniversary Gravedigger, Megalodon, the True Heavy Metals Chase Piece, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Monster Mutt, the old school Monster Mutt, Son of a Digger, and Excalibur. And I'm just gonna put Boogie Van up here. Now, Pam Vardas was the driver for Boogie Van back in the day. She made her debut in 1993 in the fall at the Pontiac Silverdome. And some of this information is coming from a 1997 Monster Jam yearbook based off of a 1993 Ford Aerostar van. If you know that Pam married to Mike Vardas, he drove the Black Stallion monster truck, and he built this truck, and he was looking for a driver, and Pam was tired of just looking on and being a spectator, and she really wanted to drive, so she got her chance back in the day. That's a little bit of some history. We get the truck, a very nicely detailed truck for the first time in a die-cast form. We get those white wheels. Here are the colors of the van, purple, pink line going, and we get the name of the truck, Boogie Van, and those eyes are looking, and so then it goes into white and some orange. We get the Monster Jam logo just because they put that on every die-cast truck. Going around to the front now, here is what they have come up with. This is probably a new die-cast body that was made for Boogie Van, and we got the eyes of Boogie Van on the hood of the truck. Coming around to the opposite side, pretty much all the same. We get black windshield, and then in the back another black windshield. Now here in the back, I wish that they would have dropped it a little bit lower to be more accurate to the real truck, but it would have hit this piece down here, and maybe it wouldn't even look good if it even came down a little farther. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Thank you for tuning in. If you would please give me a thumbs up for this video to help me out. Thank you.